we'll guide you through how to implement Vercel React best practices. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to your Vercel dashboard by logging into your account. Then, navigate to the project where you want to implement these practices. It's important to ensure that your project is set up using the latest version of React. You can check this by opening your terminal and running the command npx create react app at latest.myd, which will ensure that you have the most recent setup. Next, integrate TypeScript for better type safety by running npm install. Save TypeScript at types/react at types/react DOM. This helps catch errors during development. Now, go to the settings of your Vercel project. Under the Build and Development tab, ensure that you are using Node env set to production for optimal performance. For environment variables, make sure to configure them properly in the Vercel settings to keep sensitive information secure and separate from your codebase. Vercel encourages the use of serverless functions for back-end logic. You can create these in the API directory at the root of your project. These will automatically deploy as serverless functions. It's recommended to use React hooks for managing state and lifecycle methods, as they're more efficient and lead to cleaner code. For styling, using CSS and JS libraries like styled components can help keep your styles scoped and maintainable. Remember to use Vercel's built-in analytics to track performance and make necessary adjustments. Finally, always test your application thoroughly in a staging environment on Vercel before going live to catch any potential issues. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.